Hi, my name is Lisa and this is my favorite windshield cleaner. It's very easy to use and super convenient. You can take it anywhere with you. So it also comes with 2 microfiber cloths. It comes with a cleaner and it comes with this detachable handle, which is very easy to take off. You just push these 2 little buttons and you also just push them back when you try to put it back as well. And you can fit it in the glove box and pretty much anywhere. So to clean, you just spray the cleaner and you can just spray along the car, inside or outside, or anywhere you'd like to. And you just run this across. And the cloth is very soft, so it helps prevent scratches and gets all that dust and dirt and cleans really, really well. So you just go like that, just a couple times, and that's all you really need. And yeah, it cleans really, really well. And look at all that dirt that it picked up right here. And this is why it's my favorite windshield cleaner. Thank you.